Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some genius financial hacks that can help you build wealth and achieve financial freedom. These are the strategies that have worked for me and can make a difference in your financial journey. Stick around until the end for a bonus tip that could change how you approach saving. Saving money is crucial, but life often gets in the way. Automating your savings sets your finances on autopilot. Decide how much to save each month, set up an automatic transfer, and you're done. The money disappears from your checking before you can spend it. It's like magic for your money. Would you rather manually transfer money every month or set it and forget it? That's the power of automation. It removes the emotion and effort from saving. Start small if needed. Even $25 a week adds up. As you get used to it, increase that amount. Make saving a habit, not a burden, and watch your wealth build effortlessly. Budgeting isn't the sexiest topic, but it's essential. A budget is simply a plan for your money. It's about understanding where your money is coming from and where it's going. Think of it like building a house. You need a plan. Your finances deserve the same attention. A budget gives you a clear picture of your income and expenses. You can see exactly where your money is going each month. Once you have a clear picture, you can make informed decisions about your spending. Identifying areas where you overspend can free up money for your financial goals. Investing can seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be complicated. Many people feel overwhelmed by the sheer volume of information and the complexity of financial markets. However, there's a simpler way to approach investing that doesn't require you to be a financial expert. Index funds are like an all-in-one solution for building wealth in the stock market. They offer a straightforward way to invest without needing to constantly monitor the market or make frequent trades. They're a basket of different stocks, providing instant diversification. This means that when you invest in an index fund, you're spreading your investment across many companies, industries, and sectors. This diversification reduces the risk associated with individual stocks. Instead of putting all your money into one company and hoping it performs well, you're investing in a broad range of companies, which helps to balance out the ups and downs. With index funds, you're not trying to time the market or pick the next hot stock. Timing the market can be incredibly challenging and often leads to poor investment decisions. You're buying a small piece of the entire market, which historically goes up over time. The stock market has shown a consistent upward trend over the long term, despite short-term fluctuations. Index funds typically have very low fees compared to actively managed mutual funds. Lower fees mean that more of your money stays invested and can grow over time. This means more of your money is working for you, compounding over time. Compounding is the process where your investment earnings generate their own earnings, leading to exponential growth. The sooner you start investing in index funds, the more time your money has to grow. Time is one of the most powerful factors in investing, and starting early gives your investments the best chance to benefit from long-term growth. High-interest debt, like credit card debt, is a financial anchor weighing you down. The longer it lingers, the more money you're losing in interest payments. Imagine throwing away hundreds, even thousands of dollars each year. That's what high-interest debt does. The good news is you can escape it by being strategic and paying it down quickly. One effective method is the debt snowball method. List all your debts from smallest to largest, regardless of interest rates. Attack the smallest debt with a vengeance until it's gone, then roll that payment into the next smallest debt. This creates a snowball effect, gaining momentum until you're free from high-interest debt. Life is full of surprises, and not all of them are good. From sudden medical emergencies to unexpected car repairs, these surprises can often come with hefty price tags. Unexpected expenses can derail your finances, leaving you stressed and scrambling for solutions. An emergency fund is like a financial safety net, providing peace of mind and security. It acts as a buffer, allowing you to handle these unforeseen costs without falling into debt. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. This might seem like a daunting task, but it's achievable with careful planning and dedication. This way, if you lose your job or face a major expense, you have a cushion to fall back on. It can make a world of difference during tough times, providing you with the financial stability you need to get back on your feet. Building an emergency fund takes time and discipline. Start by setting realistic goals and sticking to them. Start by setting aside a small amount each month, even $50 or $100. Over time, these small contributions will add up. Gradually increase that amount as you get used to saving consistently. Celebrate your progress and stay motivated by tracking your savings growth. Consider keeping your emergency fund in a separate high-yield savings account for easy access and extra interest. This way, your money can grow while still being readily available when you need it most. If your employer offers a 401k match, take advantage of it. It's essentially free money. Imagine turning down a raise. That's what you're doing if you're not contributing enough to get the full employer match. Your employer matches a percentage of your contributions up to a certain limit. For example, they might match 50% of your contributions up to 6% of your salary. The sooner you start contributing and getting the full match, the more time your money has to grow and compound. Living below your means doesn't mean depriving yourself. It's about being mindful of your spending and prioritizing long-term financial goals over short-term gratification. One of the biggest obstacles is lifestyle inflation, increasing spending as income increases. Instead of upgrading your lifestyle with every raise, put that extra money towards your financial goals. Increase your savings rate, invest more, or pay down debt faster. By resisting lifestyle inflation, you'll achieve financial freedom faster. It's about making conscious choices and being mindful of your spending. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can achieve financial freedom. Diversification is key to investing. Spread your investments across different asset classes. This reduces the risk of losing all your money if one investment performs poorly. If you invest all your money in a single stock and that company goes bankrupt, you lose everything. But if you spread your investments, the impact of one bad investment is minimized. Diversification is like a financial safety net, protecting you from major losses. It's about finding the right balance of risk and reward. Do your research and consult with a financial advisor if needed. Diversification is essential for long-term investing success. The world of personal finance and investing is constantly evolving. That's why it's crucial to continuously educate yourself. Your financial knowledge is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. There are countless resources available, like books, podcasts, blogs, and online courses. Dedicate at least 30 minutes each week to expanding your financial literacy. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. You'll be able to spot scams, avoid mistakes, and identify opportunities to grow your wealth. Investing in your financial education is one of the best investments you can make. Tracking your net worth is like stepping on a financial scale. It gives you a clear picture of your overall financial health. Understand your assets, what you own, and your liabilities, what you owe. To calculate your net worth, subtract your liabilities from your assets. By tracking your net worth over time, you can see if you're moving in the right direction. Seeing your net worth increase can be incredibly motivating. It's a tangible reminder of your progress and financial discipline. Tracking your net worth isn't about obsessing over every dollar, it's about understanding your financial standing. Thanks for watching. We hope you found these insights valuable and are ready to take control of your financial future. If you found these financial hacks helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Your engagement helps us bring you more content that can make a real difference in your life. The journey to wealth starts with a single step. It might seem daunting at first, but every great journey begins with that initial move forward. It's about making small, consistent changes over time. These small steps, when taken regularly, can lead to significant financial growth and stability. Don't wait for the perfect time to start managing your money or investing. The truth is, there will never be a perfect time. The best time to start is always now. The perfect time is now. Seize the moment and take action today. Your future self will thank you for the decisions you make now. Start by implementing one or two of these financial hacks today. Even small changes can have a big impact over time. Remember, financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about endurance, persistence, and making smart choices consistently. And for that bonus tip, pay yourself first. This means prioritizing your savings and investments before any other expenses. Set aside a portion of your income for savings and investments before anything else. This ensures that you're consistently building your financial foundation. By prioritizing your financial well-being, you're setting yourself up for a brighter future. Every small step you take today will contribute to a more secure and prosperous tomorrow. See you in the next video. Stay motivated, stay focused, and keep building your financial empire.